Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can update your payment method on Shein. So first of all, before starting, make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. Once it's done, open up your Shein application. And in order to change your payment method on Shein, you'll have to first of all purchase anything or select any product that you like to buy. So once you have selected the product, go to your cart section and then click on checkout. Now you'll be appear with your payment details. So what you can do in order to change your payment method, if you haven't saved any payment method previously, then you can see the section of payment method. You can just select any payment method that you like to add, but here you can see the option credit card or debit card. You can see option like add a new card. Simply tap on it. Now if you haven't saved your card previously, then you can add a new card number and expiry date and CVV and simply confirm it. Once you have done it, your payment method on Shein will be updated and it will be easier for you. So that's all guys. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.